When we tossing a coin twice or two coins together, the possible outcomes are HH, TT, TH and HT. These are the four possible outcomes when we toss a coin twice or two coins together. The next section is very important: exact, at least and at most. These three types will come in the case of three coins together when we toss or a coin three times. In that situation, we want to find exact, at least, at most. Okay, when we tossing a coin three times or three coins together, then these are the 8 possible outcomes: TTT, THH, THT, TTH, HHH, HTT, HTH, HHT. Okay. In the case of exact, exact means that's correct number. For example, if the question is to find the probability of getting exact two heads. Okay. So here in which all outcomes two heads, exact two heads, that only we can count. Okay. Here THH, HTH, HHT. In these three outcomes, there are exact two heads will be there. So, probability of getting exact two heads equal 3 by 8. Out of 8 possible outcomes, 3 outcomes have exact two heads. Next is at least. At least means at least that given number and more. That also we can count. For example, if the question is find the probability of getting at least two heads. At least two heads means two heads and more, that we can count. So THH, HHH, HTH, HHT. So here HHT, HTH and THH having two heads and this HHH having three heads. So at least two heads means two heads and more than two heads, that we can count. So here 1, 2, 3, 4. These four outcomes have at least 2H. So here probability of getting at least two heads equal 4 by 8, that is equal 1 by 2. The next is at most. At most means that will be the maximum. Less than that number we can count. For example, if the question is find the probability of getting at most two heads. At most two heads means two heads, one head, no head, that we can count. So here TTT, THH, THT, TTH, HTT, HTH and HHT. These 7 outcomes except HHH having at most two heads. So here the probability of getting at most two heads equals 7 by 8. The next is or, and, either or, neither nor. These all situations will come in the case of play cards. Okay. When we take a card from a deck of cards. Now these are the some sub questions. A card is drawn from a pack of 52 cards at random. Find the probability of getting a black or a king. Black and a king. Either a black card or a king. A jack, queen or a king. Neither a heart nor a king. Other than an ace. So for first question, a black or a king. A black or a king means we should take all the black cards and the other kings. So black cards 13 plus 13 26 and other than black card red cards 2 kings. So probability of a black or a king equal 28 by 52 equals 7 by 13. Then second question is black and king. Black and king means both should be true. Black and king also. So there are two black kings. So probability of a black and a king equal 2 by 52. That is equal 1 by 26. Now for the third one, either or. Black or king. Either black or king. So black 26. Other kings, that red kings 2. So both we want to include. So probability of either black or king equal 28 by 52, that is equal 7 by 13. Then next one is probability of getting jack, queen or king. Jack, queen or king. So all the jacks 4, total queens 4, total kings 4. So its probability will be 12 by 52, 3 by 13. Then next is we want to find neither nor. For getting neither nor, that we want to exclude. So here heart and king. Neither heart nor king. So heart 13, other kings other than heart, that kings are 3. So except the above two, 52 minus 16, that is equal 36. So probability of neither heart nor king equal 36 by 52, that is equal 9 by 30. Next is other than an ace. So other than an ace, there are 52 minus 4, 48 cards. So probability of other than an ace equal 48 by 52, that is equal 12 by 13.